First I will complete the play, that means this abridged, then I will explain. I will explain page by page. So today up to here I have read before you page number 112 from page 109 to page 112. Synopsis already I have told you. I have narrated the synopsis or the summary up to page 112. So on the basis of my reading and the synopsis, I am going to give you some questions and more home assignment. That is, first you go through the word meanings at the bottom of each page. You have to note down in your copy. You will memorize all the word meanings up to page 112. Once again I am telling you, don't exaggerate your study. So don't exaggerate your study. So you note down the word meanings. Those are already written. Note it down in the copy and memorize it. Apart from that, up to page 112, whatever the words you feel those are tough, underline with pencil, search the meaning and note it down. Those also you note down in the copy and memorize. So apart from this, I am going to give you questions on the basis of today's lecture and reading. So guys, you note down questions. First, question number 1. How many characters are there in the play? Question mark. In the same line, name them. How many characters are there in the play? Name them. Question 2. The battle is taking place between which countries? The battle is taking place between which countries? Question 3. Who is Sergius? Sergius. Who is Sergius? Why Raina in the same line? Question mark. Who is Sergius? Question mark. Why Raina and Catherine both are happy in the beginning of the play? In the same question, this continuation. Why Raina and Catherine both are happy in the beginning of the play? Question 4. Who is Luca? Louka. Who is Luca? What did she announce after entering Raina's room? In the same line. Who is Luca? Question mark. What did she announce after entering Raina's room? Question 5. What happened with Raina after she blown out all the lights of her room? What happened with Raina after she blown out all the lights of her room? Question 6. From where the stranger entered Raina's room? From where the stranger entered Raina's room? Question 7. What was the reaction of Raina? What was the reaction of Raina when she felt, F-E-L-T, when she felt a man's presence in her bedchamber? What was the reaction of Raina when she felt a man's, apostrophe S, man's presence in her bedchamber? CHAMBER. So these are the 7 questions, guys. On the basis of my today's reading, you have to read minimum 2 times up to page 112, and I have already narrated the synopsis of today's lesson. So you will answer these 7 questions. The plot is warfare between 2 countries. I will not tell you, already it is mentioned, question I have given you. The characters, the main character, heroine of the play, she is Raina, a beautiful Bulgarian young lady. Catherine Petkov, Raina Petkov, Petkov family, Catherine Petkov, Raina Petkov's mother. Luka, a maid, the investigation officer who came to search, to investigate the house, and the fugitive, the stranger or the man. And Sergius, only the name, it is mentioned here, Sergius, no dialogue. Sergius, Raina's would-be husband with whom she is engaged. So already I have told you everything, I have presented before you. So guys, answer all these questions, find out the meanings of the words. You will underline whatever the words you feel that you don't know the meaning. Word first you note down serially, give the numbering, Roman number or ABCD, whatever you want in the copy, and then find out the meaning and memorize it. Till then guys, take care of yourself, stay home, stay safe, God bless you, bye bye.